This video is for you if you're looking at flying business class on American Airlines from Honolulu to Dallas-Fort Worth or vice versa. In addition, I'll tell you all about the tips and tricks about this flight and also about Flagship Lounge. This is American Airlines 787-9, which has all forward-facing seats. If you get the 787-8, it has alternating reverse and forward-facing seats, so be careful on the booking. Most people prefer all forward-facing seats. This is the menu for tonight. This flight is considered as a flagship service. That means you'll get your salad and appetizers as one tray with bread service. You'll get a separate tray with the main entree. In addition, you'll get dessert choice of cheese and crackers plate. In addition, or sundaes. The sundae toppings include nuts, strawberries, fudge, caramel, and also seasonal Hawaiian toppings such as passion fruit. Let's go through amenities. These are headphones. They're high quality, much better than United Airlines or Delta. Amenity kit. And also the footwell space. It's pretty wide, you can sleep comfortably. There's a lever on the bottom to pull the tray out. Click it and pull it back. Then you can flip the tray table open. So this will show you how to operate. In addition, these are push buttons for your seat. There's plugs and also a control for your entertainment system. You can scroll on a touchpad. That way you don't have to touch your TV screen. To the left-hand side, there's actually some storage. Click that button and the armrest raises up and down. There's also Wi-Fi on this flight, but it's pretty pricey at $35. The flights are typically running full. Upgrades are pretty rare, especially if you're using a system-wide upgrade with American Airlines. If you want to take a look at Waikiki during takeoff, sit on the left-hand side of the airplane. If you want to take a look at the ocean during takeoff, sit on the right-hand side of the airplane. Both have great views. If you hit sunset time, it's gorgeous. Can't go wrong. The start of meal service starts with beverage service and warmed nuts. Then they come by to give you your appetizer and salad. The salad has two types of dressing, a typical vinaigrette and also a special vinaigrette such as papaya seed, mango, or lilikoi. The main entree, I had soy glazed steamed bass with fried rice, which is delicious. I highly recommend this dish. This is my favorite part about American Airlines, the hot fudge sundae, different toppings of nuts, fudge, strawberry, or caramel. This video showing when the bed is flat is super comfortable. However, a pro tip is there's always a little lump or hump by your lower back. So when you go all the way flat, just recline it up just a touch so you eliminate that hump. This is a recline button I'm talking about to eliminate the hump. I always recommend sleeping and not waking up for breakfast in flight. The reason why is that there's Flagship Lounge access for Honolulu flyers. The Flagship Lounge is located between D21 and D22. There's two lounges. The Admirals Club, don't go there, and go beyond a little bit more, then you'll see the Flagship Lounge. And once you enter the lounge, you'll go up on an elevator to the second floor. You'll see Capital One's lounge and also Flagship Lounge. When you exit the elevator, you'll show your boarding pass and always get the Wi-Fi code while you check in. That way you don't have to search for it. This is a breakfast spread at the Flagship Lounge, and this is the whole reason why I don't recommend waking up during your flight. It is much better food than what you'll get in flight. This is my typical breakfast. They got hot sauce. Don't forget the hot sauce while you're in Texas. Another benefit is the showers. So whenever I fly in, I'll just go get a shower after a red-eye flight. Has everything you need. Unlike other shower facilities, they're not picky about time, so take your time. If you need any amenities, just ask them and they'll provide to you, such as toothbrush, combs. And another tip is that they have luggage racks on the bottom, so that way you can put your luggage and get your clothes. Here's the Flagship First Dining for international first class through American Airlines, or Flagship Business Premier. Currently is not open in the morning. Here's other area. And this is the best tip I give you. Towards the very end, to the right hand side, there's a sleeping room, so you can recline and sleep. So best advice I give you: number one, if you lay flat, recline it up just a touch to eliminate the bump on your lower back on these beds. Number two, skip breakfast. Get breakfast at the lounge, that way you sleep all the way through. And three, remember there's recliner chairs all the way in the back of the lounge. And hopefully you enjoy this. If you do, please click and subscribe. Thank you so much.